Welcome to 995 Willow Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath spacious home with over 1,440 square feet. It has an open, stylish floor plan that captures an array of natural light throughout the day. The recently remodeled kitchen features quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, a 5-burner cooktop, and abundance of storage that you won't find in many senior communities today. With its laminated wood flooring, ceiling fans throughout the home, and custom interior paint, it's easy to see why this home's look and feel sets the standard for today's interior designing trends. The large master bedroom has a fully remodeled master bath that includes ceramic tile shower with semi-frameless shower doors on an easy glide roller system and grab bars for the ultimate safety. The highly functional backyard with storage shed has 2 separate patio seating areas, which is perfect for entertaining and enjoying the lush green landscaping that includes a number of fruit trees and a sizable established garden area that provides the opportunity for year-round growing. For those who want the finer things in life, 995 Willow Drive might just be what you've been looking for. To preview this home, contact your realtor and set up an appointment today.